Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to switch accounts on Survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and switch accounts on Survivor.io. So if you have multiple Survivor.io accounts, you can switch between them as long as each account is linked to a different login method, Google, Apple ID, or Facebook. What you need to do. In the top left corner here, you'll see these three lines where we will have settings, mail, and announcements. So we have those three. Click on settings. And now here, when you click on settings, here you'll have a bunch of settings. And in the bottom, you have the general and account. You need to go and click on account. Now, here you have, as you can see, related accounts, where you can of course go and click on related account to of course connect the account. You can of course now go and bind it to Happy, as you can see, and then account will be bind like that. If you want another, you will need to go here again and put in the other email address, where we have here the section for the email addresses, as you can see. And there you can of course go and see. And here, as you can see, we have a line that is going, a arrow that is going in the right. There you can go and switch your accounts when you have more than one account. As you can see, link account to earn rewards. You will also earn rewards. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.